Hello everyone, it's Mateja from Quectel. Today I will show you the FC41D EVB Kit, an excellent evaluation kit with cutting-edge Wi-Fi and Bluetooth FC41D module. The EVB kit features multiple interfaces, including 2 UART interfaces, SPI, I2C and ADC. It also has 9 status LEDs and 4 GPIO and PWM interfaces. FC41D supports the quick open solution, many low power consumption modes, and keep alive mechanism. This provides flexibility and versatility for a range of applications, especially in IoT scenarios. This kit contains everything needed for testing and developing your custom IoT application. It contains EVB with FC41D module, 2 micro-B USB cables, coaxial cable, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antennas, quick start manual, nuts and bolts, USB flash drive with the Quectel EVB Kit support package. Now let's check out the main elements of the FC41D EVB. This is FC41D module. Next, we have power switch used to turn on or off our EVB. 2 power supply interfaces and USB micro-B interface. We have main UART interface used for data transmission between the module and the host application, and it can be used for software download and AT communication. Debug UART interface used for the output of the partial logs. Test points, which can be used to obtain corresponding signal waveforms. Mode selection header, which allows us to select RF test or normal mode. Reset button, used to reset module. 9 status indication LEDs. GPIO status LEDs. Power up or down indicator. PWM status LEDs. RF connectors. 2 SMA connectors. 1 IPEX FC41D connector. Let's now connect Wi-Fi antenna to the module and nuts and bolts so the EVB will be easier to operate. On the supplied USB, you can find documentation, drivers and tools needed to get started working with FC41D EVB Kit. The first thing we must do is to install the driver so we can communicate with our module. We go to folder drivers, unpack it and install SP210X drivers. Let's now connect and turn on our EVB. First, we connect the USB connectors of EVB to PC with the USB cable. To switch it on, we need to set the power switch to the on position. Power indicator will light up. To achieve communication between our module and the PC using debug UART port, we need to use Quectel's tool called QCOM. First, let's find out USB serial port number, which is shown in Device Manager. Next, we start QCOM from Quectel support package and select appropriate COM port as well as baud rate. Finally, to start communication, we need to press the Open Port button. Great! We have successfully connected to our module. To find out more about Quectel's FC41D EVB Kit, visit quectel.com, contact your regional sales team or our channel partners.